This Humi-Blossom is for rich single women. They are interested in well-being and beauty. Humidifier is one of the must-have items for health caring, especially in this winter time. We carried humidifier as an ornamental product, not just functional one. Humi-Blossom is a product which comes from our cares and thoughts. We made it to be as a one integrated design in terms of aesthetic humidifying. The overall shape is metaphor by flower, and the curved line of aluminum strengthens its relationship. Water comes over on the top of the pistil flow through curvy linear stem, forming stream with nature's spiral shape. Also, a humid coming out along the opening between beautiful flower-shaped line make us feel artistic. Humi-Blossom will be the perfect choice for your high-class home interior. Design your beauty, Humi-Blossom.